In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to use Instagram on your Apple Watch. First of all, go to your iPhone and go to Message app. In Message app, you can create a dummy conversation. Then all you have to need in the message, you have to type HTTPS. Just add here your Instagram link. Instagram.com. So you have to type this letter here and then just send this message, and then you see this kind of message. Now go to your Apple Watch and press the crown to go to your app library. In app library, scroll down and find out the message. Open message on your Apple Watch and then open the conversation, in which conversation you just send the Instagram link. And here you will find this Instagram.com. Just tap on that and you directly jump into Instagram.com on your Apple Watch. And here, if you scroll down, here you will find login or sign up option. So let's log into our Instagram account by pressing login, and here just add your Instagram account login credential and then tap on login. And here you can save your account information, and then you directly sign into your Instagram account. And here, if you see this home option, then you can go ahead and browse your Instagram on your Apple Watch just like this. You can also go to your profile by tapping on profile photo, and that's how we can actually use our Instagram from our Apple Watch. So as you can see, this is my profile, and you can also find out someone using this magnifying glass icon. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.